Hello, my name is Dallin Einach, and I'll be going over my Enhancement 5. We'll start off with the Add Category view. We'll do the client-side validation to show that works. Try and hit Add. Of course, nothing is going to be sent to the database because this is required. And then it tells you please fill out the field. So let's try it also, not filling out the field, the no validate activated. There was an error submitting your request because it was empty. If we go to my categories, you'll see nothing was added. So we'll go ahead and add it. Just hit no validate. And there you go. The categories, it's in the database and also up here on the bar. Let's go ahead and delete that. Then I'll check the HTML CSS for this view as well. So this is the HTML, no errors. And this is the CSS, no errors. Okay, we'll move on to the product view. Okay, so all these are required, so you're going to see if I don't type anything in, it's just going to keep going down the fields. So let me go ahead and put some of these in. And these here, price, amount, size, and weight, they're all numbers only, so if I try and put a letter in there, will let me. Okay, well, size let me, but if I hit add, well, let me see. If I hit add, it's going to say to enter a number. So if it lets you put in text, which sometimes it does, it'll say, please enter a number. So you can see it just keeps going like that. So I'm going to leave everything on except for style. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit no validate here. What am I doing? No validate, hit add. And say there's an error submitting a request, which because that's blank. Go to the database and inventory. You'll see it wasn't added. And if I add it, and do the same thing, you'll see it'll go. Oh, forgot to add the images back. Okay, product was added successfully. Go to inventory. You'll see my product with all those random things put in there. And then we'll go ahead and validate the HTML CSS. So this is HTML. No errors. And CSS. No errors. Okay, and I believe that's all we have to show for this video. So thank you for watching and have a good day.